Hello students, welcome to our next video. So in this video I am going to explain the small topic and the easy topic that is called as resistance. Okay, so in the previous videos we have seen what is the resistance, effect of temperature, resistance and all its various graphs and parameters. Okay, so in this video I am going to explain a topic called as resistance and how you must have seen small resistance in a circuit board, right? So, and you must have noticed that there are different colors on that particular resistance. Okay, so what does that color on that small resistance denotes? It denotes its resistance value. Okay, so how do we calculate that how much resistance value it contains? Okay, so we will learn this in our today's video. So what is basically the resistance? Okay, so resistance is nothing but a opposition offered. Okay, opposition offered to the flow of voltage and current. Okay, so it is called as a resistance. So to provide opposition path in a circuit, we implant a resistor. Okay, so basically we have seen many types of resistor, various shapes and various kinds of resistor in the circuit, right? So what are the types of resistors used? Okay, so what are the types of resistors? So first is the carbon composition types. Okay, carbon composition type. So this is the first type of resistor. Then we have film resistors. Okay, film resistors. Then we have wire wound resistor, and fourth one is the cermet resistor. So these resistors are the basically used, are the commonly used resistors in a real world. Okay, so we will not look all these resistors in a detail, but we will. So I will explain only the first one. So this carbon composition type of resistors is the mixture of carbon. Okay, it is a mixture of finely grade carbon, means the powdered form of carbon, insulating filler and resin blender. Okay, so it is a combination of these three. So how does the value of this particular resistor depends? It depends on the composition of carbon and the insulating filler. Okay, so based on this two combination, if the insulating material is filler is used very heavily, then the value changes. If the ground carbon, finely ground carbon is used, then at a very high quantity, then the value will be different. So according to the combination of this mixture, you can decide the value of the resistor, carbon composition resistance. As the name suggests, it is a carbon composition resistance. And similarly, these four other three are also defined. Okay, so what does this resistance value denotes? So it denotes it basically it is used to provide a specific value of resistance. If I want a specific value, let's suppose if I want 19,000 ohms of resistance, then I can get. If I want 25,000 of ohms, if I want 1 ohm, if I want 58 ohms, you can manage your resistance value by yourself only, because by just arranging that composition, so you can get a specific value of resistance, specific value. Okay, and its also function, its main function is to limit the current value. Okay, right? So if my current is flowing in a certain direction in a circuit, then what will happen? Let's suppose this is my current. Okay, so this is my circuit. Okay, and I have one resistance here. So what my current will flow like this. So it will get a opposition in between. So that opposition is provided with this resistance. Okay, so this resistance can be of any of these four type. Okay, so to limit the value of the current, we use resistors. Okay, to limit the value of the current. Also to divide the current also to divide the voltage. To divide the voltage, we also use resistance. Okay. Let's suppose this is my one resistance. This is my one resistance. This is my one resistance. So if my current is flowing like this, so it can be divided here, and also the potential difference between this. Potential difference means the voltage. So it can be a different voltage because of this resistance value. The current is means the resistance value. The current is divided, and also the potential difference is also gets divided. Also, its other function is to generate the heat. Okay, to generate the heat. If we want heat at a particular location, okay, also to protect the circuit from any kind of damage. So in that case, you can also use a resistor there, a specific value resistor there. Okay, so this is the function of the resistor. Okay, so these are the simple points you should know. Okay, now we have one. You must have seen this resistors, small resistors, right? So small resistors are there. Okay, these kind of resistors are there. There are bands like this. Okay, various color bands. So this is the structure of that resistor. Okay, if you consider this as any kind of resistor in the circuit, you see any kind of resistor, then you must have seen this kind of color strips. Color strip 1, 2, 3, 4 strips are present there. Okay, so how can you decide the value of this resistance? Okay, what is the value of this resistance? So that value of this resistance is can be calculated by us if it is not mentioned there. Okay, if it is not mentioned, and if you want to know what is the value of that resistance, so how can you find? So let's suppose this is one color, this is the other color, third one, and the fourth color. Okay, so this A, B, and C gives the value of resistance. Okay, so with this only you can find the value of what is the value of that resistance. Okay, what is the value of this total resistance? And the B, the last strip, that colors denotes the tolerance value. So what is the tolerance value? Means you can pass the current through this particular resistance in that particular tolerance. So it can be varied from 5 to 20%. Okay, so it depends on the type of resistance. So this is the simple resistance structure. Let's suppose so there are these colored strips. Okay, let's suppose this is my A, B, C, and D. Okay, so it can be of any color, like this black, it can be brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, grey, and white. Okay, so these are the various colors used on the resistors. So let's suppose this is my let's suppose you can take any color. Okay, if I am taking a color. If I am taking a color like this way. Okay, let's suppose I am taking a color red. Okay, suppose it is a red color. Okay, then we have a brown color. Okay, red color, brown color, and the third one is, let's suppose it is an orange color. Okay, and let's suppose my D, you can take it as okay, so that you can take it as gold. Okay, it is gold color. So you can see these kind of colors on the particular resistor. So how can you find the value of this particular resistor? With these three colors. So red denotes the 2. Okay, 2. Brown denotes 1. Orange denotes. Okay, so these two first. Red and brown denotes the 2-digit number. Okay, 2, 1 means 21. And my orange is my Okay, so it has a 3 zeros behind it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So it is a 21,000, and my 21,000 is my ohms resistance. And what is the tolerance limit? Gold. So what is my gold? It is plus or minus 5%. Okay, so this is how you can find the value of you can find the value of resistance. Okay, what is the value of that particular resistance in any kind of circuit or a circuit board? Okay. You can by this find out any of the resistance value. Okay, we will take another example. Let's suppose I'm taking some other example, like let's suppose I have green strip here. Okay, green. First one is the green. Then I have a yellow. Okay, then I have a black, and I have silver. Okay, silver. So what does this value denotes? Green is 5, and my second digit will be yellow. Yellow means 4, 54. Black denotes my 0, means I have 0, means I have 0 value, means I have nothing here. Okay, 54 only. And silver denotes my plus minus 10%, means I have 54 ohm. Plus minus 10 is my tolerance limit. Okay, so this is a very simple example. You can also find this kind of you can also means you can look any circuit with a resistance and you can find that. Okay, so one shortcut is there to remember this value. Okay, so you can write this B R O Y. Okay, so BB Roy is one word. Okay, off, you can write off in a small letter. Off means it is not a letter. Off, GB means Great Britain. Okay, BB Roy. Okay, BB Roy is a person who is of Great Britain. Okay, Great Britain. BB Roy of Great Britain has very good wife. Okay, you can remember this with this also. BB Roy of Great Britain has a very good wife. BB Roy of Great Britain has a very good wife. So B stands for black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green. Then we have blue. Okay, so black, brown, and the third B stands for blue. V stands for violet, G grey. Okay, so first G denotes the green, the second G denotes the grey, and W denotes the white. And GSN. Also you can gold and silver denotes the two tolerance band, and if the resistance is like this only. Okay, it has only 3 strips. Okay, if it is having 3 strips, then what does this denotes? Mean it does not have any tolerance band. Okay, it does not have any tolerance band. Okay, so you can write directly without a tolerance band the value of this resistance. Okay, so I hope you understand this video. Okay, if you have any kind of doubt in this video, you can contact me. So thank you for watching.